This comparison highlights two different Microsoft tools, Planner and Lists, used for task management, planning, and data organization, helping users choose the best fit for their needs. Microsoft Planner makes project management easier by organizing tasks into clear, visual Kanban boards and customizable bucket. It seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Teams and Outlook, allowing you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress through automated charts. This collaborative tool replaces messy spreadsheets by keeping all your files and team communication in one centralized high productivity space. Microsoft Planner offers a free version for Microsoft 365 subscribers, while paid plans range from Plan 1 at $10 to Plan 5 at $55. The most popular choice is Plan 3, which costs $30 per user per month and provides comprehensive project and portfolio management. According to Reddit users, the new MS Planner Premium includes almost all MS Project functionality. However, the basic version has limited features, and task assignment is restricted for basic MS 365 users. It's best for teams with premium licenses, while firms on basic plans may face restrictions. Microsoft Lists is a smart information tracking app that turns your data into organized visual dashboards using ready-made templates for tasks, inventory, and projects. It works seamlessly with Teams and Power Automate, allowing real-time collaboration and workflow automation. Users can choose flexible gallery or calendar views to monitor their work efficiently. Microsoft Lists is included with Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Business Basic starts at $6 a month, Personal at $6.99 with limited features, and Business Premium $22 provides full automation, collaboration, and integration. Reddit users note that while it can replace many functions, accessing data isn't always straightforward. Some use Python with Microsoft Graph API and an Entra Azure AD app to read or write data. It works best for technically comfortable users, while those expecting simple file access may face complexity. In conclusion, Planner is great for task and project management, while Lists is best for organizing and tracking data. The right choice depends on your workflow needs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.